How to lower blood pressure with foods. Imagine this: Michelle Obama, Oprah Winfrey, and Novak Djokovic all share some incredible eating habits that not only help lower blood pressure, but are also available for everyone to adopt for a healthier lifestyle.
What if I told you that their secrets to better well-being are within your reach? Hi, I'm Rob from Explaining Health. I want to share my medical knowledge on health topics every week. Hold on a second. I know lowering high blood pressure might seem tough, but I promise I'm going to share an easy, food-based approach that anyone can try, even without expert knowledge.
First of all, high blood pressure is typically defined as having a systolic blood pressure of 130 millimeters or higher, or a diastolic blood pressure of 80 millimeters or higher. In this video, we're focusing on primary hypertension, meaning we won't be discussing high blood pressure caused by other medical conditions like kidney disease, adrenal disorders, or Cushing's syndrome. Instead, we'll concentrate on strategies to manage essential hypertension, which develops gradually without a clear identifiable cause. Now, we're going to explore how foods rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, omega-3, and flavonoids each play a role in lowering blood pressure. Plus, I'll be sharing some meal suggestions featuring these powerhouse nutrients. So, let's dive in and discover how each one can make a difference in managing blood pressure. 1. Potassium powerhouses. Add bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, tomatoes, and oranges to your plate for a blood pressure balancing boost. Potassium is like a helpful friend to your body when it comes to lowering blood pressure. It does this in a few simple ways. Kicking out extra salt. Potassium helps your body get rid of extra salt by making your kidneys work more efficiently. Less salt in your body means your blood pressure can go down. Relaxing your blood vessels. Potassium helps your blood vessels loosen up, making it easier for blood to flow through them. When blood flows more freely, your blood pressure is lower. Enjoy a medium-sized banana, 1/2 cup cooked spinach, or 1/2 cup cooked sweet potatoes as part of your daily potassium intake. 2. Magnificent magnesium. Indulge in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes to keep your blood vessels relaxed and your mineral balance in check. Magnesium is a valuable ally for your body when it comes to managing blood pressure. Here's what it does in simple terms. Easing blood flow, magnesium helps widen your blood vessels, making it more comfortable for blood to pass through. This smooth flow contributes to lower blood pressure, keeping your heart steady. A healthy heartbeat is essential for stable blood pressure, and magnesium plays a key role in maintaining. Eating magnesium-rich foods supports your body in its efforts to maintain healthy blood pressure. Try incorporating more magnesium-packed foods into your diet for improved well-being. Snack on a handful 1/4 cup of nuts or seeds, or add 1/2 cup cooked quinoa or brown rice to your meal.
Have you already been enjoying these blood pressure-friendly foods in your diet? Let me know in the comments below.
3. Captivating calcium. Savor dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods for a calcium-rich diet that supports healthy blood vessel function and heart muscle contractions.
Do you like this kind of content? Leave a thumbs up.
Calcium is an essential teammate for your body in maintaining healthy blood pressure. In straightforward terms, here's how it contributes. Strengthening blood vessels. Calcium is vital for keeping your blood vessels strong and flexible, which supports proper blood flow and helps regulate blood pressure. Regulating heartbeat. Calcium plays an important role in your heart's electrical system, ensuring a steady heartbeat and maintaining balanced blood pressure. Start your day with 1 cup of low-fat yogurt or milk, or enjoy a salad with 1.5 cups of raw, leafy greens. 4. Outstanding omega-3s. Delight in fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts for their inflammation-fighting, blood vessel-enhancing properties. Omega-3 fatty acids are like friendly helpers for your body when it comes to managing blood pressure. In simple terms, here's how they contribute. Reducing inflammation. Omega-3s help lower inflammation in your body, which can contribute to healthier blood vessels and better blood flow, ultimately supporting stable blood pressure. Improving blood vessel function. Omega-3 fatty acids play a role in keeping your blood vessels flexible and responsive to changes in blood flow, which is important for maintaining balanced blood pressure. Incorporate 2 3.5-ounce servings of fatty fish per week, or add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds to your daily diet. 5. Fabulous flavonoids. Enjoy the antioxidant benefits of berries, dark chocolate, green tea, and various fruits and vegetables, which improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. Flavonoids are helpful allies for your body when it comes to managing blood pressure. In easy-to-understand terms, here's how they contribute. Protecting blood vessels. Flavonoids act as antioxidants, shielding your blood vessels from damage and keeping them healthy, which is important for maintaining balanced blood pressure. Enhancing blood flow. These powerful compounds help your blood vessels relax and widen, allowing blood to flow more easily and ultimately supporting stable blood pressure. Indulge in 1/2 cup of fresh berries, 1 ounce of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, or a cup of green tea daily.
Now, we have some answers, but also a big problem. How to put those foods into an organized diet plan. Here is the answer. Diet. If you found this content helpful, hit the subscribe button.
The Diet dietary approach to stop hypertension is a well-researched and proven eating plan designed to help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. The main focus of the diet is to consume nutrient-dense foods that are rich in potassium, calcium, magnesium, fiber, and protein, while limiting sodium, saturated fat, and added sugars. Here's what the diet typically emphasizes. 1. Fruits and vegetables. These are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim for 4 to 5 servings of each per day. 2. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa to increase fiber intake. Aim for 6 to 8 servings per day. 3. Low-fat dairy products. Choose skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and reduced fat cheese to provide calcium and protein while keeping saturated fat intake low. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per day. 4. Lean protein. Include fish, poultry, beans, and nuts in your diet for high-quality protein sources. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of lean meats per day and 4 to 5 servings of nuts and legumes per week. 5. Healthy fats. Focus on unsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocado, and fatty fish, which can help improve heart health. 6. Limit sodium. Keep your daily sodium intake below 2,300 milligrams or even lower, at 1,500 milligrams, is crucial to regulate your water intake. I strongly suggest you to watch this video about this. In a nutshell, managing blood pressure is key for good health. Enjoy foods rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, omega-3s, and flavonoids. Stay active and relax. Together, we'll make small steps towards a healthier life.